Pothole in a minute. Pothole in a minute. The hairpin. This one normally got a load of shit and potholes and everything on it, and it's fucking.
Well, let us worry about that.
Like loads
and you
of fucking.
Just concentrate on going around.
Yeah, look at this.
I didn't really fancy that in seconds. I thought I better change it.
Critting the fucking road. Oh, someone's been through there, look.
Oh, fucking hell, yeah. They've never bothered putting the fence up, they just put some more barbed wire up too easy to replace. Oh, look at this little igloo thing.
Yeah. A fucking Eden project.
They reckon that's they reckon they're getting less than half the visitors they used to get there now since COVID.
Are they?
The project, yeah, they're struggling apparently. On the news the other day.
Yeah, they've been laying people off, haven't they?
There you go.
They've been laying people off, have they?
Right?
Potholes. They've been laying staff off.
Yeah, they've laid off quite a few.
Fucking hell.
It's down to half the stuff they used to have, isn't it?
Yeah.
Have a good look. Oh, they resurfaced them fucking craters.
Oh yeah, haven't they?
Left all their dusty shit.
Left all the dusting away, yeah. Warmed up a bit now.
Yeah.
11 degrees, it's not too bad. Loads of shit in the road.
Yeah. Trouble is, when they come down with their fucking great tractors and combines and bloody lorries and what have you,
I bet the rain has a lot to do with half the shit in the road.
Yeah, but they catch the sides as well and scuff all the shit in the road. Right, so this bend down here in a minute is where the bin man binned it.
Which way was he coming up here or coming
He was
down?
coming, yeah, he was coming towards us. Pothole there. I mean, and it's a road, the corner that has loads of shit on it normally. But you can see how tight it is on the map. And it just sods law, he hit fucking false neutral, didn't he, coming around? And he binned it, he fucking binned it right here. But look at the gouges in the road, look.
Yeah.
But it is a bastard of a bend going up. Look clear. Yeah.
Look at this shit here, look.
Loads of it in there.
Got back a bit, because I'm getting picked by Nige.
Yeah, you're fucking pebble dashed.
So they fill holes around our way, they throw a load of stones on it and wait for cars to run a bit. Yeah.
I like that bloke on YouTube.
They get for doing it.
Yeah, I like the bloke on YouTube, he goes around filling them with mud and putting plants in.
Yeah. Yeah, planting up the potholes.
I think the one that scared me was when we was in Slovenia and it was like 2 inches deep on that stretch coming up.
When they lay the shingle down on top. Well, we come turning down this road and there was a cyclist coming down it as well. And
that tightens up on you.
But there must have been 3 or 4 inches of that soft shingle for about 3 miles. And the cyclist just couldn't stop on the corner. She was petrified. It was absolutely terrible. Horrible road. Lovely road, just a shame about the surface, you know.
There was a whole convoy. Well, at least it's not wet because in a minute the cattle grid they put Right in the spot where you'd be leant over if you're coming the other way.
You can see why it attracts so many people in the summer, can't you?
Oh, it's fucking lovely, isn't it? Yes, it is nice. Potholes there. Cattle grid, yeah, look at the cattle grid. So when you're coming the other way, look, you're fucking you're leant over.
Wait, what? What?
Yeah, fucking have some of that. Like you say, you don't want to be blatting across here, do you? You want to be taking it in.
Why would you? Look at it. You're like, I mean, it's on your doorstep, isn't it? That's the thing.
Yeah. See, the whole of Dartmoor is 40 mile an hour anyway.
I can get to France quicker than I can get to you.
Way ahead of that.
That's the thing.
Stay there, sheepies.
Right, dress that Jeep up like a fucking traffic cone. Look, it's all orange. Places in Scotland like this when you're doing the 500.
Pothole there. Yeah.
Yeah, right, double eight. Plenty of dust about.
In there. There is. As far as I know, this is still a 60 mile an hour limit across here, isn't it?
The pride's saying it's still 60 mile an hour limit.
Yeah.
But again, why would you? You've only got to have one of them sheep come out at you. It misses you.
Yeah. Still, sort out lunch, wouldn't it?
Well, you can't pick it up, but technically we can behind you.
Yeah. Just chuck it on Steve's radiator for a while. Put it in one of his fucking, one of his side boxes. Gas mark fucking 8. Of course, in the fucking, the bleak midwinter, this is all fucking white.
It's not a very nice place to be.
Pothole.
Every time you point at a pothole, I look at it and go straight for the fucking thing. Oh yeah, there it is.
That's why he does it.
Yeah, Nick, you can do your, what's name on Britannica Encyclopedia about the cracks.
About what?
The cracks.
Oh, what, over there? What,
Yeah.
The interlocking spurs?
That's the fuckers.
Interlocking spurs.
Sounds like a fucking sex game, doesn't it? The interlocking spurs. Pothole, missed that one, and Todd's 29 and the interlocking spurs. Oh, perfect smell.
Oh, yeah. It's like my son's round here somewhere. Saying that's a smell it is when it comes
My woman
to
was in his room. I always say to her, you move it and I'll club whatever runs out.
yeah.
Well, if we have weather like this in a couple of weeks, it'd be
Yeah, it'd be lovely, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it will be nice.
You can only hope, can't you?
Oh, yes.
Because if it ain't, it's going to be pretty visible on some of that. Would you readjust your route if the weather's not so good, or you still do go out and do it?
I'll still go
I
do
still
it.
do it.
If it is not
It's in
very
the
nice, just keep saying to Rev, it was lovely when Andy was down. But don't
Yeah. Andy had a fucking lovely ride. Just got to watch them bends. If there's any fucking
The
loose
thing
shit
is,
on
this
them.
is the problem in this country. You're looking through the bend, but you're very conscious you've got to look at the fucking road to see what
Yeah.
is in it.
And then you think, oh yeah, that's a pile of shit, and it's not. It's just a muddy stain.
Yeah.
Again, sounds like my pants.
Yeah, you're washing again, aren't
Isn't it nice with the daffs and everything, eh?
we? Yeah.
No, edge laying again, that.
Oh, wow, right now I went through the whole fucking lot.
Fucking brutal, lay that one.
The mum said, Mr. Apprentice, this is trinity, I'll fucking destroy it.
It doesn't look like they put it.
Yeah.
That's what I said about this route. Although it's 198 miles, you can get a good lick on a lot of it.
Yeah.
I'm going to get a good lick on in a minute with that Nutella. My missus
in
is
a
saying,
hotel and I see the Saturdays and Nutella. Always grab a few because it's nice to reach for them during the day.
oh, we're going right. We're not
my
going
God.
Exford by the look of it. We're going to Dulverton. That must be when I changed it. Perhaps it will be Bickley then.
Just sit down at the nav and thought, got to go right in.
Well, at least somebody did.